We have a very complex math Olympiad here, and we're expected to find the value of x that will satisfy this given math Olympiad, okay? We are given 4 exponents x minus 2, and this equals 40, okay? Now, for us to solve this, we are going to apply this exponential rule. If you have a exponent m minus n, this equals a exponent m divided by a exponent n, okay? Now this equals this. So we are going to express this left hand side in this form. So if we do that, we are going to have 4 exponent x divided by 4 exponent 2, and this equals 40, okay? So from here, we have 4 exponent x divided by 4 squared equals 16, then this equals 40. Okay, so from here we are going to write we are going to divide this 40 by 1, and we'll now cross and multiply. 4 exponent x multiplied by 1 will give us 4 exponent x, and we'll have this to be equal to 40 multiplied by 16. Now for us to solve further from here, we are going to apply log on both sides, okay? So we are going to have log 4 exponent x, and this equals log 40 multiplied by 16, okay? Let's put this in parentheses. Now from here, we are going to apply the log power rule of log, okay? And that says that if we have log a exponent b, this equals b log a, okay? Now if we apply this rule in this left hand side, we are going to have x log 4 will be equal to log open parentheses 40 multiplied by 16, okay? So from here, we are going to divide both sides of the equation by log 4, and we'll divide here by log 4 as well, okay? So from here, log 4 will cancel out log 4, and in the left hand side, we are left with only x, and this equals log open parentheses 40 multiplied by 16, then we'll divide everything by log 4, okay? So from here, we are going to apply another log rule. If you have log AB, that is log A multiplied by B, this equals log A minus log B, okay? So if we apply this rule in this numerator, we are going to have x to be equal to log 40 plus log 16, and we are going to divide everything by log 4, okay? So from here, we have we are going to express this 16 equals 4 squared, that is 4 multiplied by 4. So for that reason, we are going to have that x equals log 40 plus log 4 squared, okay? And we'll divide everything by log 4, okay? So from here, we are going to have that x will be equal to log 40 plus 2 log 4. Then we'll divide everything by log 4, okay? So from here, looking at this, you can see that in denominator we'll have log 4. So it simply means that we'll have a common denominator. So if that is the case, we are going to have that x will be equal to log 40 divided by log 4, then plus 2 log 4 divided by log 4. So from here, this log 4 here will cancel out this log 4, and we are left with x to be equal to log 40 divided by log 4 plus 2, okay? We are left with 2 here because 2 multiplied by 1 will give us 2. So from here, note that 40 equals 4 multiplied by 10. So if this is the case, we are going to have that x equals log 4 multiplied by 10, okay? Let this be inside parentheses, then divide by log 4 plus 2. Okay, so this is separate. Okay, so from here we are going to have that x will be equal to log 4 plus log 10. Okay, we are going to divide this by log 4 because they have common denominator, and this will be divided by log 4 as well, then plus 2. Okay, so over here this log 4 will divide this log 4 and we'll have 1. So we'll have x to be equal to 1 plus log 10 divided by log 4 plus 2. Okay, so from here 1 plus 2 equals 3. So we'll have x to be equal to 3 plus log 10 divided by log 4. Okay, so from here, note that 10 equals 2 multiplied by 5. So if that is the case, we are going to have that x equals 3 plus log 2 multiplied by 5. Okay, this will be in parentheses. Okay, and we'll divide this by log 4. Okay, so from here, we'll have x to be equal to 3 plus log 2 plus log 5. Okay, then we'll divide everything by log 4. So since we have a common denominator here, we are going to have that x equals 3 plus log 2 divided by log 4, then plus log 5 divided by log 4. Okay, now from here, note that 4 equals 2 squared. So if that is the case, we are going to have that x equals 3 plus log 2, then divide by log 2 squared, then plus this log 5 here. Okay, log 5 divided by log 2 squared. Okay, so this is what we have from here. So we are going to have that x equals 3 plus log 2 divided by 2 log 2, then plus log 5 divided by 2 log 2. Okay, so from here, this log 2 here will divide this log 2, and we have x to be equal to 3 plus 1 divided by 2, then plus log 5 divided by 2 log 2. Okay, now if we simplify 3 plus 1 divided by 2, we are going to have that as 7 divided by 2. Okay, now from here, plus log 5 divided by 2 log 2. Okay, now let's apply this rule. If you have log a divided by log b, this equals log a base b. So if we apply the rule here, we are going to have x to be equal to 7 divided by 2, then plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, there should be 1 here. Okay, 1 multiplied this will be 1 again. So we'll have 1 divided by 2, then log 5 base 2. Okay, we applied this rule here. Okay, so from here we are going to have this as x equals, since we have a common denominator here, we'll just pick 1, which is 2, and add the numerator. So we'll have 7 plus log 5 base 2, and this is the value of x that we are expected to find in this given equation, but we want to check to see if this will satisfy the equation. Okay, so we are checking this, and our equation is 4 exponent x minus 2, and this equals 40. Now the value of x is this, so we are going to substitute it here. So if we do that, we are going to have 4 exponent 7 plus log 5 base 2, then divide by 2 minus 2, and is this equal to 40? We are trying to confirm that. Okay, so from here, These two can be divided as by 2. It can be divided by 1, sorry. These two here can be divided by 1. So we are going to have 4 exponents. The LCM of 2 and 1 is 2, okay? So 2 divide 2 is 1. 1 multiply this will give us 7 plus log 5 base 2. Then minus 1 divide 2 is 2. 2 multiplied by 2 equals 4. Then would this give us 40? Okay, let's continue. So from here, we are going to subtract 4 from 7. And if we do that, we are going to have 7 minus 4 equals 3 plus log 5 base 2. Then we'll divide this by 2. And is this equal to 40? Okay, so from here, we are going to apply this exponential rule. If you have... Okay, so from here, we can express 4 in index form. So we are going to have 2 squared. Okay, this will be in parentheses. Exponent 3 plus log 5 base 2. And we'll divide this by 2. Okay, then will this give us 40? From here, these 2 will cancel this 2 here, okay? If we multiply everything by these 2, it's going to cancel out this. So we are left with 2 exponent 3 plus log 5 base 2. And is this equal to 40? Okay, so from here, we are going to apply this exponential rule. If you have 2 exponent 3 plus another value or another number, we are going to have 2 exponent 3 multiplied by 2 exponent log 5 base 2. And is this equal to 40? So from here, we are going to apply this log rule. If you have log A exponent, if you have A exponent log B base A, this equals B. Looking at this, you can see that we have 2 here and we have 2 here. So the whole of this is 5. So 2 exponent 3 equals 8. Multiplied by the whole of this is 5, and 8 multiplied by 5 equals 40. So 40 here equals 40, okay? And we are right by the saying that the value of x that will satisfy this given equation is 7 plus log 5 base 2 divided by 2. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Please do well to share this video, share your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe to this channel. Bye.